Ooh, great grandma and great grandpa gave this to you. Can you open it? Can you open it? Open it from this side here. Right here, watch. Can you open it? You want to hand that to me? Thank you. Give me that. Okay, open it again. Okay, keep on opening it. Thank you. What's in there? Right here. Here. Pull right here. What's in there? Thank you. Okay, look at, what is that? What is that? What is that? Baby. Oh, here, I'll hold this. That's your baby. Can you say thank you? Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa. Can you give the baby hugs? Can you give the baby kisses? Can you give, oh, I'll give the baby kiss. Oh, that's nice. Say Merry Christmas. Say love you. Say see you later. Say bye-bye.